Let's open a $15 jewelry jar that I got off of Depop. I typically don't film myself taking off the tape, but I think I see stuff that's like under the tape. I don't want to break it. These are cute. I feel like they're the same size. This one doesn't do the fall test and it stays on, and I actually like that. I don't think I have anything that's pink. That's cute. But I probably won't keep this one. Okay, we have a baggie. What is that? I think this is like a crafty jewelry jar. We'll see. There's some beads. I'll keep those for my kids. Come on. I think this is a choker. And you know I love chokers. That's actually a really cute clip-on. I think I'm gonna keep that. Okay, hold on. It took me forever to get this untangled, but I wouldn't wear it. It's just not my style. But I also found this in there. It's just a bracelet. What is this? With a U pendant. I feel like this would be a cute ankle bracelet. It says Alana and Lily. I wouldn't wear it. And then there's this. This is adorable, and I'm keeping it. Okay, this is an adjustable necklace that is broken, so I would not wear it. We have some earrings that look pretty fun. I actually like those. These are cute. Not my style. That's really pretty. What would I do with it? I don't know. I'm not going to keep it. We have an earring. We have an earring. I think I would wear that. And then these are cute. Yeah, I like those. For sure. Yes, keep. It's just a bunch of clasps. Are these real? They look real. Those are real. That one was pretty. Yeah, these are real pearls. Just on a string. I'm keeping it. Do something crafty with it. Not sure. More crafting stuff. I'm gonna keep that. All right, we have this pink star. I would not wear this. Then we have this. I would not wear it. It's cute, but it's not my style. That's cute. I'm gonna figure out something to do with that. These look like Pringles. right, I'm keeping this and I'm gonna call it my Pringle necklace. I'm so dumb. All right, we have these earrings. They're quite cute, so I'm gonna quite keep them. Okay, what is that? I don't know what this is. I feel like it's not an earring. And then this shuts over it, or it's broken. I wouldn't wear. We have a earring. I don't think I would wear that. There's the match. There's this earring. I would not wear. And I don't know if I don't see a match to it. Anyways, yes, I would wear some hearts. An earring. Maybe. If there's a match. There's a match to that earring. We have a heart. Match to those. We do have a match to these. I'm gonna keep them. There. All right. Ooh, that's cute. Heart pendant. Keeping it. What's this? It's a Mickey Mouse. I don't know. Matching earring. Just a clasp I'll keep. A dog. Don't want it. A leaf earring and another clasp. Yeah, alright, that's it. Bye.